President, I'm here to stand today to say, let's list down our priorities together with the minority. Ano yung 5, 7, 10 na pinaka-importanting batas? So I'm meeting with the LEDAC people tomorrow kasi may LEDAC sa Tuesday. And hopefully, any member of this Senate submit to the Secretariat by tonight or tomorrow. Ano yung priority? But ang aking lang ipapakiusap sa inyo, wag muna yung personal advocacy kahit maganda. Ano yung game changers na mababago ang direksyon ng ating bansa? Many of our bills are important. Many of our bills have been pending for 50 years. Many of our bills are controversial. But I am sure there are 3, 4, 5, or maybe 7 or 10 bills in agriculture, in health, in education, in finances of this beloved country that we can do para pag sinabi, tara, trabaho na tayo. Hindi trabahong politika. Hindi trabahong tirahan. Hindi trabahong babato sa langit pag dumating sa Senado, sinong magagalit. Hindi po. Trabahong tapos na yun eh. Tapos na Monday, tapos na kahapon. I'd like to take this opportunity. Ang CIDG po nagsabi today, kung tama yung news report, they will respect our having custody of Senator Bato. So, hindi na siya isusupina. But with the permission of Senator Bato, if they want to investigate the EJK, they can come here and they can interview you. Di ba? None of us are above the law. I'd like to thank Secretary Remulla for the assurance that we will follow the law. The NBI, sinabi iba dati, iba ngayon. So again, Madam President, yes, we will have to sometimes mention or go to the political aspects. No, I want to honor Senator Pia for saying yesterday, pwede ba ituloy ang hearing? So my good friend, nag-hello ako sa likod. I didn't know she'll be here. Why? The farmers could have had their hearings, di ba? Senator Erwin, ang daming pending sa kanya. I was assuring him, pag wala naman objection sa floor, lahat ng dapat i-sponsor na. But I haven't consulted all 13 of my colleagues yet because we didn't have time a while ago. I also wanted to honor one of our colleagues who stood up during the break, Senator Win Gatchalian, and did a good job sa Protect hearing. No, I also believe that talagang itatayo naman ng executive yung uplift. But tingin ko, napabilis at napataas yung uplift dahil sa Protect. So at the proper time, Majority Leader, if there's no objection from everyone, I would ask if today we can ask him to continue as chairman of Protect. Because precisely everything I've said today, maybe except the spiritual side, but Win is also a brother in Christ. And regardless of our religion, the spiritual side is always there when we love our neighbors. So Madam President, dear colleagues, thank you for this opportunity, to give me this opportunity to express what really is in my heart and mind. So may God bless the Philippines and God bless us all as we humble ourselves before the Lord and God.